Kawasaki brute force I got not long ago. Back in November, I guess, of last year. I bought this 08 750 brute force injected for a song. Basically, it was a basket case. The motor was bad in it and had lots of stuff wrong with it. But anyway, I put a brand new engine in it and went through it from end to end, addressing every single issue I could find. It came with the ITP wheels and tires. Those are Maxxis Mudzilla 27-inch. I think they're 27.9s in the front, 27.12 in the rear. Pretty aggressive mud tires. They work really well. The engine was done at Inflow. That's the same engine that was in it. It's just I removed it and sent it to them. They rebuilt it or remanufactured it. Anyway, it's four-wheel drive. Transmission's good. Both the diffs are good. I had to rebuild the winch. New winch rope on it. New plastics on the front. This stuff here is actually duct repair tape. It's aluminum. I just put it on there and burnished it in, cut it out. It worked really well. I said all new plastics on the front. Just the headlight bezel on the front bumper, new skid plates all the way back. I redid the front suspension with all balls control arm bushings. Extensive clutch work. I sent the clutch out to V-Force John for a stage 3 setup. That's fairly expensive too. Just the clutch work alone was almost $500. New clutch contactor. Several little electronic things that I fixed. New brakes on it. I put wheel bearings, things of that nature. But it runs great. Four-wheel drive works. Both diffs are in good shape. Shocks are so-so. They're factory shocks and they're not that great to start with, but I may upgrade them at some point. Anyway, just want to do a little quick video. I had it on the trails yesterday and it did great. Even with these aggressive mud tires, it did really well on a hard pack. I went to Davenport Mountain up here in North Georgia. It's almost to North Carolina, and it did really well. Anyway, let me see what's got it for hours. It has 211 hours on the original engine and 1,074 miles. Well, all of that, I can't reset it to 0, but I recorded it and wrote it in the owner's manual and the service manual I had that I changed the engine. So I'll be able to keep up with the hours on it. Anyway, that's my 2008 Kawasaki Brute Force 750i. And it is a fun machine to ride. All right. Peace out.